Hello, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can secure your website professionally. Because after you have bought your web hosting, install a WordPress or a content management system on your domain and have started managing it, then hackers may think that you have started earning a lot of money on it. Hence, they will look for one way or the other in which they can inject a malicious link on your website. Hence, it is very good to secure your website, especially your login details. Okay, do not disclose your website cPanel login details. Do not save it in your phone, in your documents, especially in a device which you don't personally use every time. Okay, the internet is filled of hackers. You can't know when people can get access to your website. It's very good to securely manage your website to prevent hackers from entering your website. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install and activate a security plugin for your WordPress website. For you to do, you need to visit your WordPress dashboard by entering your domain name .com/wp or admin. Then after that one, you click plugin. You click add new. Then you search for Sucuri. Sucuri is one of the best plugins for WordPress website security. Sucuri security auditing. You click install now. Click activate. Now the plugin was being successfully installed and activated. What you need to do now is to check all this, check this on, click submit. Click last logins. Successful logins. These are the logins. Here you know the time that people are trying to log into your WordPress website. The username they try to log in with, their IP address, their host name, and the date and time they are trying to log into your website. Logged in user. If they have successfully logged in, you will see them. This is the one you have just entered, admin. Field logins. There's no any field login here. Click firewalls. You can scan your website here, scanner. You check this all on. Then click submit. That is how to protect a WordPress website using Sucuri plugin. Okay, you can see Sucuri doesn't only secure your website, but also scan it. It cleans your website. You can see all this will clean. JavaScript will clean. Malicious iframe, malicious SEO spam were cleaned. If you upgrade to the premium versions, then you can select a different page, a URL for your administrator login. Okay, they are talking about this. You should not use this one again, because this is what many WordPress users use to log into their dashboard. But if you have upgraded or use this option, you can decide to use other page other than this one. They scan your website every 6 hours. Thank you, and this is how we can secure your website, your WordPress website. Just install Sucuri security plugin on it. then your website is secure. Hackers cannot get access to your website. And also note that a very valid SSL certificate is stored on your website. I discussed it in one of my videos on how you can get an SSL certificate from Cloudflare for free. For you to know that you are having a good SSL certificate on your website, you can just simply click the padlock here, click it, then click connection is secure, then click certificate is valid. Then you know whether you are having a good valid SSL certificate on your website or not. This is the issue date. This certificate was issued on November 19, 2022, and it's going to expire on Friday, 10th November 2023. This is very awesome. Any website you visit, use this trick. If they are using a good SSL certificate, then you will know. This is one of the best ways to protect your website from hackers. Use a good SSL certificate and also install a Sukuri security plugin on your website. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Please subscribe to this channel if you know that it has helped you, so that you can receive more updates from us in the future. Share it with your friends in order for them to be helped with this content.